Namaskar. That's a greeting I learned this weekend at my first meditation steps retreat. I've been a yoga practitioner for a little over a decade, and so I'm not too new to meditation or yoga, which is what we practiced and were taught this weekend. However, I feel that I've been on a deep search and journey in my yoga practice to find exactly what I discovered here. And so I'm just full of joy right now. I'm full of awe. I'd like to dedicate these words to whoever asks those questions about what is the meaning of life? Why is there suffering? How can I overcome pain? How can I find joy when the world seems to be in chaos? These are things that have concerned me for a long, long time, and it's just amazing to feel like there is a path with answers and community and no dogma, no religion, no organized institution, just absolute freedom that everyone can access inside themselves. You don't even need to be far or go anywhere. But what meditation can teach us, we all have access to as a human being. And so there's a lot of power in adding meditation to your life. And I can't wait to end this video so I can go and meditate some more. I just feel motivated to continue this journey and to continue learning because I feel like I've just made my family.